Have you ever wondered what's actually inside your computer and how all those parts work together? In the next 5 minutes, I'll explain every major computer component in the simplest way possible. No technical background needed. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that processes information. It takes input like your keyboard or mouse actions, then processes that data, and finally gives you output like text on a screen or sound from speakers. But none of this happens magically. It all depends on a team of hardware components working together perfectly. CPU. The brain. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is often called the brain of the computer, and for good reason. It executes instructions, performs calculations, and controls almost everything happening inside your system. Whether you're opening a browser, playing a game, or typing a document, the CPU is constantly working behind the scenes. A faster CPU means your computer can process tasks more quickly and handle more complex programs. RAM. Short-term memory. RAM, or random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that your CPU needs right now. For example, when you have multiple tabs open or switch between apps, RAM keeps everything running smoothly. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle at once without slowing down. But remember, RAM is temporary, so everything stored there is cleared when the computer shuts down. Storage. Long-term memory storage is where your data lives permanently: your files, apps, photos, and operating system. There are two main types: hard disk drives, or HD disks, and solid-state drives, or SS disks. HD disks are older, slower, and use spinning disks, while SS disks are faster, quieter, and more reliable because they have no moving parts. Upgrading to an SSD is one of the easiest ways to make a computer feel much faster. GPU. Graphics card. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is responsible for everything you see on your screen. It processes images, videos, animations, and especially games. While the CPU handles general tasks, the GPU is specialized for handling visual data quickly and efficiently. If you're into gaming, video editing, or 3D design, a powerful GPU can make a huge difference in performance. Motherboard. The connector. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all components together. It allows the CPU, RAM, storage, and GPU to communicate with each other. Think of it like a central hub or a highway system. Without it, none of the parts could work as a team. It also determines what components are compatible with your computer. Power supply unit, or PSU, converts electricity from your wall into usable power for your computer. Each component requires a specific amount of power, and the PSU distributes it safely. A good power supply is essential for stability and protecting your system from damage. Cooling system. As your computer runs, it generates heat, especially the CPU and GPU. Cooling systems, like fans or liquid cooling, help keep temperatures under control. Without proper cooling, your computer could slow down or even get damaged over time. Input and output devices. Input devices let you communicate with your computer like keyboards, mice, or touch screens. Output devices show you the results like monitors, printers, and speakers. Together, they allow you to interact with the digital world in a simple and intuitive way. Network card. A network card enables your computer to connect to the internet or other devices. It can be wired using Ethernet or wireless using Wi-Fi, allowing you to browse, stream, and communicate online. Conclusion, and there you have it, every major computer component explained. Once you understand these basics, using or even building a computer becomes much easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn tech the easy way.